This video will show you how to replace the wireless WAN module in your ThinkPad. The process in this video will work for the ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 14 and the ThinkPad X1 2-in-1 Gen 11. You will need a screwdriver kit, a non-metallic pry tool, static-safe tweezers, and 20 minutes of your time. Caution: to avoid damaging your device with electrostatic discharge, work on a hard, flat surface. Use an anti-static wrist strap and mat, or discharge static by touching a grounded piece of metal. First, you must disable your built-in battery before removing any parts. Disconnect the power adapter. Press the power button. Tap the F1 key repeatedly to enter the setup menu. Select the Config menu. Select the Power menu option. Select the Disable Built-in Battery menu option. Select Yes in the confirmation box. The system will shut down and the battery is disabled. Loosen 4 captive screws on the base cover. The captive screws do not come out of the base cover. Do not try to remove them. Starting at the hinges, pry up the base cover to release the clips and remove it from the system. Loosen 1 captive screw on the bracket and remove the bracket. Disconnect the antenna cables. Remove the wireless WAN module from the system. Insert the wireless WAN module into the slot on the board using the notch for alignment. Connect the blue antenna cable to the blue terminal on the wireless WAN module. Connect the black and gray antenna cable to the black and gray terminal. Connect the white and gray antenna cable to the white and gray terminal. Connect the orange antenna cable to the orange terminal. Lower the bracket into place on the wireless WAN module and tighten 1 screw. Starting at the edge opposite the hinges, lower the cover into place on the system and press around the edges to secure the clips. Tighten 4 captive screws to secure the base cover. Plug in the power adapter and connect it to your computer to re-enable the built-in battery. You can find links to additional resources such as repair guides and the Lenovo parts store in the video description. For even more resources like user guides and manuals, visit the product page for your device at pcsupport.lenovo.com. For more information on your Lenovo devices, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube.